Hey guys. In this video we're going to be checking out the 5 best microwave oven price under $200. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Lzhzxy M1L202B Microwave Oven. Voltage 220 volts. Power 700 watts. Gross weight, about 13.1 kilograms. Net weight, about 12 kilograms. Capacity, 20 liters. Large capacity to meet your needs. 1 button rapid heating. Size, 459 x 281 352 millimeters. Opening method, by door. Number 4. Avex TR450 BCL Microwave Oven. Voltage, 220 volts. Capacity, 41 liters. Type, convection oven, turbo oven. Controlling mode, mechanical timer control. Style, horizontal. Control, mechanical. Number of heating elements, 2. Power source, electric. Number of ovens, single. Power, 2000 watts. Material, metal, glass. Number 3. YunlinLi 31334 cm Microwave Oven. Voltage, 220 volts. Capacity, 15 liters. Function, true microwave. Power, W, 901 to 1300 watts. Door lock type, hand pull type. LCD, no tray. Type, glass turntable. Type, convection oven. Installation, countertop. Controlling mode, mechanical timer control. Panel, transparent. Material, metal. Certification, /rated. Power, 1100 to 1300 watts. Rated frequency, 5060 Hz. Color, silver gray. Capacity, 12 liters. Product size, 408 x 302 227 millimeters. Number 2. OLOEY K1208 Microwave Oven. Capacity, 15 liters. Voltage, 220 volts. Power, 901 to 1300 watts. Function, grilling, speed cook, with quartz halogen bulb, steam cooking, sterilize, true microwave, regular grade, steam cube. Controlling mode, mechanical timer control. Type, speed cook, with quartz halogen bulb. Panel, flat plate. Installation, countertop. Door lock type, hand pull type. Material, stainless steel. Housing material, plastic. Capacity range, 11 liters, inclusive -20 liters, inclusive. Color classification, red, deep red. Control mode, mechanical. Style, embedded. Power, 1050 watts. Capacity, 12 liters. Number 1. YunlinLi T7L384D Microwave Oven. Voltage, V, 220 volts. Power, W, 1800 watts. Capacity, 31 to 40 liters. Type, / a number of ovens, single. Number of heating elements, 4. Style, horizontal. Power source, electric. Material, stainless steel. Controlling mode, digital timer control. Control, digital type. Household appliances for kitchen. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. In this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.